Just hold on, actually. I'm trying not to have a cow. Put your hair behind your ears. Can you put your hair in a ponytail, please? Put a ponytail. Yeah. Good. This goes all the way down. The tape measure goes all the way freaking down. Okay, we was getting 2 measurements of eyeballs or eyesight. Stand straight. Okay, now our eyes are down here. But no, it was going up and down. Okay, your mouth is where that stuff is. Can you get a marker? As well, I'm gonna do. I got it. Okay, I wanna. See, they can't say you have multiple personalities or whatever. This is what James fucking is going to. Put this back up here. How am I supposed to see? Okay, so this is mouth now. And this is chin. These bottom ones, these are your. Okay, draw eyebrows. Try to draw the eyebrows. Right here. Okay, your hairline. Here's your hairline. Okay, now what does it say? It's 56 inches to the hairline. Mom! Mom! Mo, don't get pissed. Don't get pissed, Mo. Hold on. Baby girl, draw your hairline again. Wait a minute. You forget. Oh, it's sorry. Dude. Mama. This is dude. Now our chin is to the. We just grew right here. You just grew. Mom! We just grew taller. But Devil Mafia. Wait a minute. Am I physical? Whoa, is there a nail in there? I don't know. Ow! I'm physical. Mom, wait, whoa. Hold on. Put this online right now.